Get things started. So thank you all for being here. I'm here with the operations team with Pauline. Hello, and Frederic.
Hello. Hello.
Frederic will take over this presentation when we are heading a little bit further in it because she knows way more about operational items than I do. So thank you all for being here. We have a great number of exhibitors. We are here to tell you, to help you prepare for the event. We will also share some new highlights for the event. So let's get started. Yes, there we go. So firstly, I would like to introduce you to the team and the ones who have been with us already for a few editions. Most faces are familiar. So Mariska is still on board. I'm Kim, exhibition manager. Desiree is also exhibition manager. However, she is on maternity leave within 2 weeks, so she will not be present on site, but she did a lot of preparations. Job is here, our sales manager. Merkje involved in marketing. Marie-Claire will be around as operation manager. Johan, sales. Demi, marketing executive. Sander, who is our online marketer. Nadi will help us out in the operations team. Pauline, you kind of met. And then we have Kiara in the operations and Frederic, who is relatively new, but you will meet her later. So a strong team, and we are here to help you out. So if anything happens or you need more assistance, then reach out to us. We have a general email address, which is greentech@rai.nl, and then this team is behind the email address, so it will always end up with one of us. This is the agenda. I will not read through it one by one, but you have a little bit of an idea what we will discuss during this meeting. Every year we work with a theme, and this theme is mainly based on what is new in the sector or what is important in the sector. Last year we had the theme passion, and this year it's pure. And pure originates in many things. We always use quite a broad theme that we can use in our communication channels, but also has a relation with the sector. So we are talking about pure growing with less energy, less chemicals, less people, less water. We were talking about pure innovations and everything that you are working on. We have two new super cool initiatives, the Green World and the Tech World. I will tell you more about it later. There is a new category in the Innovation Award. What is new for this year in comparison to last year? All events take place on the show floor, where we had some of the meetings held on the first floor restaurant last year. We will now focus on the exhibition show floor with everything we do, so to create more experience and more events on the show floor to have everybody at in one area. Last year we had an evening opening on the Wednesday. This year we will end the exhibition at 6. However, if you would like to join our Green Tech party, it is organized on Wednesday 10th at 6 p.m. until 8. So this is different in comparison to last year. So now let's continue with the new initiatives. So what is new? We are creating theme worlds, and the reason why we do it is because one of the reasons to make the back of the hall 3 and 5 more attractive. We are going to create worlds instead of stages only. The tech world will be located in the back of hall 5, and the data and tech stage, which is probably or hopefully familiar with you, is part of this world. Other things that we are having in this world are robotics AI lab. We will create an after talks lounge, and all startups related to robotics, AI solutions, things that have to do with data are located in this area. So for you all, it's definitely important to be part of it or to visit this world to get a little bit of a feeling of what we've been doing there. In the back of hall 3, we will create a green world. There we will have the stages, the crop stage, vertical farming stage, and the medicinal plant stage. But we will also talk about new crops, chemical-free growing. There will be a green hub. with new solutions like algae, strawberries, and coffee growing. So yeah, and we are paying a lot of attention to these worlds. So I hope you will enjoy them when we are on site. The Innovation Award has always been quite a popular initiative. And in the past, we've been working with Concept Award and the Innovation Award. The Concept Award was an award for promising new ideas, something that is not yet on the market or just a little. And the Innovation Award is a new product that is announced, not longer than 1 or 2 years ago, I believe. But for this year, we are adding a new category, and it's called the Impact Award. And the Impact Award is an improvement on an existing product, for example, that has a big impact, but also initiatives of or collaborations that have a lot of impact in the horticulture sector. So if this somehow opens your eyes, please make sure to apply for the awards. The deadline for it is already 7th of April next year. So keep this in mind if you are interested. Yeah. So that's next week. And make sure that these kinds of awards and also the Robot Challenge are providing a lot of extra visibility within our community and also on site. So it's a pretty important and good thing to be part of. So here is the floor plan. I was already talking about the green world. Here in the back, the tech world in the back of Hall 5. Here in the middle of Hall 5, there will be the innovation and insight area where we'll have specific meeting and insight sessions, but also all nominees for the Innovation Awards will be showcased here. The Power Day is organized in that area. So this will also be a very important area. And as you can see, the floor plan looks already really promising. There's a few spots left, but we are 96 something percent sold out. So positive vibes only. Then make sure that if you have products or solutions in one of these areas, make sure to apply for the route. Because every company that, for example, has solutions in the robotics, and when you mention this in the Exhibitor portal on the online floor plan, when a visitor looks for robotic companies, this will highlight on the floor plan. So you really definitely stand out. So it's important to make sure to apply this in your company profile in the Exhibitor portal. Deadline May 19th, so there is some time for this. We are working very, very hard on the knowledge program. It's divided over the stages. You can see an outline of the stages in this slide. There is an opportunity for exhibitors to be part of the knowledge program. If you are interested in that, please contact Job Knook. His email address is here in the slide. We cover around 250 speakers, 80 sessions. So it's a really huge program, and it's very popular amongst the visitors from 24 till 25. The numbers of the stages were increased with 40% attendees. So yeah, our visitors and so your target group are really interested in to educate themselves and to sharing knowledge, because yeah, we think this drives progress in the sector. So now we made an outline on the events apart from the exhibition and the knowledge program that are taking place per day. So this is on the Tuesday at 9. There is the official opening in the back of Hall 1 at the vision stage. If you are interested, you can attend, as all exhibitors are invited for the official opening. We organize a boat trip at 5. So this is also quite a fun thing to do with your clients, with your growers, to take them out. And we organize this, so it's quite easy for you to apply or to take a group. The Robot Challenge is held on the Tuesday as well. So if you are interested in that, please let us know, because we have a really strong jury and they will visit your stand. And at the end of the day, the winner will be announced. On the Wednesday, there's the Green Tech Run for the sporters amongst you. And we organize a power day also in the morning. This is quite a cool event. It's very interactive with table moderators. And this is where we talk more in depth about a specific topic without endless presentations or panel discussions. It's really an interactive session to look at this in a different way. And of course, the Green Tech Party on the Wednesday, we hope that you will all be there. On Thursday in the morning, there's a CEA workshop, how to design a new greenhouse together. We organize this together with architecture, and the students will be here again on the Thursday. They will walk around the show, so you will definitely meet them. So to make the Green Tech a success for yourself and for us, it's very important that you invite your relations, which means that you can invite your relations for free until Tuesday, the first day of the event, 10 a.m. After that, the tickets will cost 125 euros. So you are the only ones that can invite your relations for free as exhibitors. So we definitely encourage you to do so. Everything that you need for it is available in the exhibitor portal, an invitation link, an invitation text. So make sure to use it. For the Green Tech Party on the Wednesday, as an exhibitor, we offer you a special prize if you would like to bring clients or relations to the party on the Wednesday evening, which is always very much fun. Please let us know, and we can help you in a reduced price for the tickets for this event. Next slide. Well, now we will talk a little bit more about promotions and visibilities. About apart from the exhibition and your stand, there's also a lot of benefits in having a little bit more visibility to attract more visitors to your stand. There is a huge outline on the website, so you can take a look and maybe there's something for you that will give you a little bit more of attention. And our sales team is involved in that, so feel free to contact them. I actually hope that you already booked your hotels for the international exhibitors amongst us, because it's going to be very, very busy in the week of Green Tech. There are a few big events taking place at the same time. So a lot of hotels are already fully booked. But the RAI Hotel Service, we made reservations in a few of the hotels in room blocks. So with that, we guarantee the best price for these room blocks. So if you are still searching for hotels or need a hotel, then please make sure to order it via RAI Hotel Service to make sure that you have the best price and some availability. Last but not least, it's good to know, and catering, bringing your own catering has not been allowed in the RAI since the beginning that we organized this event. But we have been a little bit flexible with that in the past, and since a few years we are becoming more strict on bringing your own catering. So be aware of this. It is not allowed to bring your own catering, but we do have a very extensive offer in the web shop with almost everything that is required for your stand. And if you need anything special, then please reach out to us, because we are very happy to think with you on how to make your participation the best, of course, in terms of food and drinks, because we know this is really important in the horticulture sector. As a carpet update, last year we started with not laying carpet over the entire aisles. This resulted in 7,000 square meters of less carpet. And this is very, very important for us to reduce our footprint. We have calculated our footprint in 2023. And carpet was one of the biggest aspects that we could improve. So for next year, we will keep on doing that. So carpet will not be laid over the complete aisles. We did make an improvement on cleaning the floors better. We have a new contract with the new cleaning company, and they are fully aware that the floor that is below the carpet must be much nicer to look at for the next edition. And what is very good news that we are selected for the strategic trade fair program, which means that the Dutch government is recognizing our event as one of the most important events internationally in terms of horticulture. So they are encouraging a lot of delegations to come. We are expecting 40 plus delegations, which are groups of growers, governmental institutes, people from the municipality, ambassadors who will visit the event. Most of the time, there's some high-level people in there, in these groups, and yeah, you will definitely benefit from them because all these people will walk the show as well. So we are really proud to be selected for this again. So yeah, those were the most important new and highlighted aspects for the green tech. So I think I give the word to Frederic now. There we go.
Yes, hello there. Hi, everyone, and thank you so much for joining. As mentioned before by Kim, my name is Frederic. I am part of the amazing operations team together with other colleagues, and I'm here to give you a little guidance on preparing for your exhibition or for Green Tech. So to start with, this is the build-up and breakdown times for specified into space only and stand packages, which means that for space only, build-up starts on Saturday for the halls 1 to 3, and 5 as well, but the times are 12 for 1 to 3 and 1 for half 5. And then you've got Sunday as well for space only. Then for stand packages, those exhibitors are able to build up their stands on Monday during decoration from 8 to 5. There will be a pop-up safety shop available on site in Entrance K, which means that you can rent your safety helmets and safety shoes. You can bring your own if you have any, but wearing them is mandatory at all times during build-up and breakdown. So for the breakdown, again, for space only and stand packages, for space only, it starts at 6:30 until 10, and for the stand packages, it's from 4 until 8. And Space Only also has time to break down their stands on Friday, the 12th of June from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. So I would like to highlight the Exhibitor portal and the web shop, which are the two most important portals available for you to get ready for the show. The Exhibitor portal contains all of the important information with regards to the event. So this means an overview of deadlines. You can update your company profile there. You'll find all of the event information, including times, and you can make sure to have your access ready through the portal. Then the web shop is for all stand requirements. So that includes catering, any meeting rooms you might need, electricity, water, and any permits or approvals that you should seek. Then new this year is Work Pass, a digital access pass to entering RAI only during build-up and breakdown. So the Work Pass is registered per person and replaces the need for a physical badge. You will need to request the Work Pass before entering the premises, and you can do so via the Exhibitor portal, and that is possible 4 weeks prior to Green Tech. So the Work Pass itself is stored on your phone with a QR code, and after you've accessed the building, the RAI Amsterdam building, you'll receive an email that includes your exit ticket for the parking garage, as this is free for you as well. So good to keep in mind while you register for Work Pass is that every person needs to do their own quick registration. It's quite easy to do so. You'll find it in the Exhibitor portal, and before you know it, you'll be able to access the RAI. Then, as many of you know, around RAI Amsterdam, logistics can be done through RAI Logistics Management System. So to ensure the access to the venue with your truck or van, which is longer than 6 meters, please log into the RAI Logistics Management System from the 15th of May onwards from 8 a.m. So through the system, you can reserve a time slot for both build-up and breakdown. And in addition to that, please note that DB Schenker has now transitioned to become DSV. The services remain unchanged, but DSV remains the exclusive logistics services provider at RAI. So only DSV employees are authorized to carry out motorized or electric transport within the exhibition halls, but the outdoor areas as well. This also applies to the electric unloading of goods from trucks. So should you need any transport whatsoever from large materials in or outside the RAI, you can contact DSV. If you wish to ship any goods in advance to the show, you can also consult our Exhibitor portal to find the contact details of DSV there. So we would like to tell you a little bit about the stand packages. There are 3 types, the basic, luxury, and premium. If you require any further information, or if you have any questions, you can contact your sales representative or greentech@rai.nl. So what is important when you have a stand package is to make sure that you have all your services ordered through the web shop. So either if you need water or rigging or electricity or catering. But most importantly is that a shell scheme stand construction is mandatory for all stands from 30 square meters onwards, and it provides a flexible, efficient, and professional solution tailored to your needs while prioritizing sustainability. So when you have a stand package, specifically luxury or premium, please make sure to upload your graphics. Should you have a budget stand package, you can always upgrade by contacting Exhibitor Services. If you've already confirmed your participation, you should have received a link from Art of Fiber to upload your artwork. If you have not received this link or have yet to receive it, either reach out to as@rai.nl or check your spam inbox just in case. But Exhibitor Services is here to help you. So when you have chosen to do space only, which means that you're building your own stand, please make sure to review the stand construction regulations in the Exhibitor portal when you start the design of your stand. And in addition, please make sure that all services are ordered in advance. So water, rigging, electricity, and catering. There is a deadline you can make use of to enjoy a 20% discount, which is the 12th of May. But the 21st of May is the final deadline for ordering all of the services. When you have a stand-only space, we do ask that you submit your stand design. The deadline to do so is the 1st of May to enjoy the early bird rate. And we ask you to do so through our partner Abraxas. You are required to submit the following documents. So that is a stand design, a floor plan, a risk assessment, and a method assessment. And you can find all of the needed documents in the Exhibitor portal under My Stand and then Stand Construction. So a tip from us is to adhere to the deadline of the 1st of May because you will enjoy the early bird fee. But even if your stand design changes slightly, or you might need to make some adjustments, you can still do so whilst enjoying the early bird rate. And please note that if your stand design appears unchanged, a new assessment is required for each edition. So reviewing a stand design goes beyond repeating the evaluation from the previous year, and it is necessary to ensure the safety, the quality, and compliance with the most up-to-date regulations. So important to know is that for both space-only stand and stand packages is that requesting a permit through the web shop for music, drones, smoke or gas effects, or double-deck stands must be submitted through the web shop. And while Abraxas, our partner, reviews your stand construction, these other special features require a separate permit. So we would like to give you a full overview of all deadlines, which is again also to be found on the Exhibitor portal. But there is, as Kim mentioned, on the 7th of April, a last call for all exhibitors who have an innovative product or service. Make sure to register for the Innovations Award and mark your calendar for the early bird fee when ordering water, rigging, air, or electricity. You'll be able to find all of the deadlines in the Exhibitor portal, but be sure to grab a little screenshot of this while you can. And this concludes our final presentation. So both myself and Kim would like to thank you for being here. You can send all of your questions through the chat if you haven't done so already. But for this moment, this is it for us. Yeah. And therefore, we would like to conclude this presentation. We'll keep the chat open for a little while. Make sure to answer your questions. But if you are fully informed, feel free to log off. Or if you have any follow-up questions, send them to greentech@rai.nl. We will make sure to update this presentation, including this recording, on the Exhibitor portal. So if any information went too fast or if you would like to rewatch it, you can do so in the Exhibitor portal. Thank you, and we see you soon in June.